Hello creative buddies, welcome back to Flying with Art. Today's video is an interesting and unique project, which is this beautiful wizard backflow waterfall incense burner, which I made by recycling disposable storage container and using homemade ceramic clay. It is such an easy and fun project to make. I really like how this project turned out. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. If you're new to the channel, it's so great to have you here. So subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you never miss any of my latest videos. Starting by taking plastic disposable container and cutting the required portion out. This becomes our base where the head of the wizard lies. Now I'm making base for the head of the wizard by using a newspaper and then wrapping the newspaper with the help of aluminium foil. Now sticking this foil structure to the base with the help of a glue gun. And now our base become ready for the clay work. Now using homemade ceramic clay and taking a portion of clay and rolling it with the help of rolling pin. This is how we get a thin sheet of clay. Now covering the head structure using this thin sheet of clay and sticking it with the help of white glue. After covering it with clay, it's important to smoothen it out with water. And then I let it dry for 2-3 hours, and after 2-3 hours it becomes hard enough to make hole for the smoke to come down. So I'm making 2 holes, one in top and one in bottom. Now making a tunnel between these 2 holes with the help of a screwdriver. So when we put incense stick on the top, smoke come down easily. Now using more clay to add details to the structure like eyes, nose, again smoothing with water. At this point it is really looking like Voldemort, but trust me guys, soon it will be converted into a wizard. Adding more clay to make eyebrows. Giving dimension to the face by adding more clay and smoothing it out with water. Making some wrinkles using a tool. Now adding more clay to make a lower lip, like so. Adding more clay to make forehead. Now taking thick strands of clay to make beard and sticking it with the help of white glue. After smoothing it out, making beard-like structure using a tool. In the similar way, making more of them. I keep on adding more clay strands until and unless I am satisfied with the beard. This is how long beard of wizard look like after completion. In a similar way, adding thick strands of clay to make long hair of wizard and sticking it with the help of white glue and smoothing with water. After properly smoothing it out, making hair-like texture with the help of a tool. Repeating same procedure to cover the entire head with long hair. This is how hair of wizard look like after completion. Now to make crown of the wizard, using a decorative stone and sticking it with the help of white glue and finishing it off with a strand of clay. Also adding a strand of clay at the bottom of the plastic container. And this completes the clay work and it's ready for painting. I'm using acrylic color to paint it. First using flesh tint and burnt sienna to give base color to the face. Now using flesh tint over it. This results in a pale skin color. Adding dark grey color to beard. Giving shades of white to the beard. In the similar way, painting hair. Painting eyebrows with the same grey color as of the hair. Adding slight pink color to the lips, and after completing the eyes, adding golden color to the crown, and finally adding black color to the base, and this completes our project. Now it's time to put incense stick and unleash the magic. I hope you guys love this unique and beautiful incense stick burner, which is not just a piece of art but also a useful item. If you love this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share your valuable feedback. Subscribe to Flying with Art and hit the notification bell and select all notification for my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.